Hi seniors, it's time to complete your quarter 2 Naviance assignment. Go ahead and log in with Clever using your laptop login and password. Getting you into your Clever portal, find your Naviance icon, taking you to your Naviance student homepage. You're going to scroll down and find your important to-dos and tasks, and you're going to find the task that says Apply to College. You're going to click on that, taking you to your student planner. You're going to find the pink arrow, and it's going to say apply to at least one college. This student has already applied, so we're going to click here to add additional schools she's applied to. As you can see, she's already added Avila and Rockhurst to her list. So in order to add all the colleges you've applied to, you're going to find the pink plus sign in the right corner. And in the first box, you are going to type where you have applied. She has also applied to Johnson County Community College. Make sure on the application type, this one is a rolling application, so she can apply at any point in time throughout the school year. And she submitted her application directly to JCCC. Make sure you check the box saying you've submitted your application, and then you will add your application, and then it should show up on your list. So she's applied to 3 schools. Once you have received your acceptance letters from these schools, please share that information with the College and Career Center. You can screenshot it. You can forward it. If you receive a text, go ahead and screenshot it and email it to us. You can take pictures of your acceptance letters that come in the mail, but we want to take record and celebrate all the schools that you have been accepted to. Once we receive those acceptance letters, we will get you your Success Bound t-shirt. If you have other questions regarding applying to college or needing help with your Naviance, please reach out to any of us in the College and Career Center. Our emails are in the Google Classroom.